day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to the Mathematics Lead channel where we turn your math worries into mastery. I am Kim and together let us have fun while learning. Today, we are about to discuss one of the competencies in mathematics, which is to identify the center-radius form of the equation of the circle. Before we start, let us first determine the things that we need to achieve at the end of the lesson or the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to A. Identify the center radius form of the equation of the circle at the origin and the center not at the origin. B. Demonstrate the students' collaboration in illustrating the center radius form of the equation of the circle and to solve word problems involving center radius form of the equation of the circle at the origin and the center not at the origin. Activate our mind to the topic to be discussed, let us first have the engaging activity. As per discussed last time, the distance formula is the square root of the sum of the square differences of the x and y coordinates. With that, to have a deeper understanding about it, let us try to solve or answer the given problem. Let's read all together. The haunted house has two new attractions. One, the haunted house is located at the point 35 on the park map, while the second, the water slide, is located at point 913. The question is, what is the distance between the haunted house and the water slide? Very good. The answer is 10. So we just need to determine and substitute the values to the formula and simplify it to get the correct answer. Now, I want you to look at the picture. What are the rides that you've seen in the picture? Good job, you are familiar with the rides. The rides are namely carousel, Ferris wheel, and swing ride. So what are their similarities? Great! One of their similarities is they are moving in circular motion. So based on the graph, what is the location of the center of each ride? Excellent! You determined all of its points, and they are 3 and 1 for the Ferris wheel, -1, 0 for the swing ride, and -3, 1 for the carousel. Let's now proceed in activating knowledge for deeper understanding of our topic. We will now enter the discussion proper and we will first discuss the equation of a circle in center radius form with the center at the origin 0, 0. So its equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Let's say you are given x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Remember, in solving this, you must find the radius of the given equation. You'll just extract the roots of 25 to determine its radius. So what is the answer? Very good. You got the correct answer since the square root of 25 is 5. Then the answer is 5. Next example, x squared plus y squared is equal to 49. Since it is in the form x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, then you'll just extract the roots of 49. So what do you think would be the answer? Fantastic! The answer is 7 since the square root of 49 is 7. What if the radius is given? That is the time that you will substitute it to the equation to find its center radius form. For instance, the given is r is equal to 6. Substitute it to the equation, then what do you think would be the equation or the answer? Nice answer! It would be x squared plus y squared is equal to 6 squared. Now simplify 6 squared, then the answer will be awesome! The answer is 36, thus the equation will be x squared plus y squared is equal to 36. Now, let us all proceed to the equation of a circle in center radius form with the center not at the origin hk. When a circle has a center at hk, that means the center is not at the origin unless h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 and radius r. Its equation in center radius form is quantity of x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now, you will rely on substitution and simplifying the equation. For instance, we are given center 2, negative 3, radius 5. Let h is equal to 2, k is equal to negative 3, and r is equal to 5. Substitute these values on the given equation. What would be the answer? Brilliant! We have quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus negative 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. Now simplify negative 3 and 5 squared. What would be the answer? Nice answer. It will become 3 and the 5 squared will become 25. The final equation will be quantity of x minus 2 squared plus quantity of y plus 3 squared is equal to 25. Moreover, if we are given center 5, 3, and radius 10, and we substitute it in the equation, what will it look like? Quantity x minus 5 squared plus quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to 10 squared is the equation. Outstanding! Furthermore, let us simplify the 10 squared, so the final answer will be quantity x minus 5 squared plus quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to 100. Now, what if the given is the equation form? For instance, quantity of x plus 5 squared plus quantity y minus 1 squared is equal to 49. Now, we will find the value of h, k, and r one by one. First is h, so we will use the quantity x plus 5 squared and change the sign to become the same as the format of the equation of the circle in center radius form in center, not at the origin. So it will become quantity x minus negative 5, and we know that x minus h based on the equation is in the same form as what we've got. So what would be the value of h? Superb! Therefore, the answer is h is equal to negative 5. Next, let us find the value of k. Let us use quantity y minus 1 squared. It is the same as the equation given earlier, therefore we will not change the sign. So what would be the value of k? Fantastic! K is equal to 1. Let us now proceed to the last part, which is the developing competencies, wherein it will test your understanding about our discussion for today. Answer the following. Pause the video so you will have enough time to solve for the answer. Let us all read. A Ferris wheel is plotted on a coordinate grid for a design plan. The center of the Ferris wheel is located at 4, negative 3, and it has a radius of 10 units. Your task is to write the equation of the circle that models the Ferris wheel. Let us now reveal the answer. The given are h is equal to 4, k is equal to negative 3, and r is equal to 10. And the answer is quantity x minus 4 squared plus quantity y plus 3 squared is equal to 100. So, you are right. You are on the right track. For the second scenario, in an amusement park, a circular merry-go-round has its center at point 0, 0. A ticket booth is located at point 3, 4. So for your first task, use the distance formula to find the distance from the center of the merry-go-round to the ticket booth. Times up! The given are x sub 1 is equal to 0, x sub 2 is equal to 3, y sub 1 is equal to 0, and y sub 2 is equal to 4, and the distance is the 5 units. So you got the correct answer. For task 2, if the merry-go-round has a radius of 5 units, determine whether the ticket booth is inside, on, or outside the merry-go-round. The duration is complete. The answer is Since the distance is equal to the radius, the ticket booth is on the merry-go-round. So, excellent answer. And for the third and last task, write the equation of the circle in center radius form. And the time is over. The answer is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Good job! That's all for today and see you on the next one.